Hello. Good evening, sir. RK sir, good evening. RK sir there?
सर स्टार्ट कीजिए.
Okay, Abhishek sir. So now we have to start the lecture now. In the last lecture I started the chapter that is the basic principle of organic chemistry. But in this chapter, in last lecture we taken the topic like characteristics of the organic compound. So from today to onwards, student, I will start the exact portion from your textbook. That topic, first topic, student, is the tetravalency of carbon atom. Tetravalency. Tetravalency of carbon atom. Tetravalency means here we have to discuss the carbon. Valency of carbon is what? 4. So valency of carbon, student, they can be explained on basis of electronic configuration. You know, atomic number of carbon is 6. Chapter number, student, 14. Basic principle of organic chemistry. Electronic configuration, student, 2, 4. Outer, total 4 electron present in the outermost shell. You know, this last cell is also called as the valence shell. So number of electron present in the valence shell is called as what? Your valency. That's why we can say valency of carbon is 4. Along with valency of carbon, student, we have to know the valency of other element also, which are present in organic compound. Like, you know, hydrocarbon. In hydrocarbon, along with carbon, hydrogen also be there. So what is the valency of student hydrogen? You know, atomic number 1, electronic configuration 1. So this is the last cell. Here in last cell only 1 electron present. Then valency of carbon, valency of hydrogen is 1. Other element, student, like valency of oxygen atom, valency of nitrogen atom. Oxygen, student, atomic number 8, electronic configuration 2, 6. In outermost, student, total 6 electron. If you know, in last cell electron is more than 4, then valency equal to 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, then we get the valency 2. Very good, Samrat. Then valency of oxygen is what? 2. Very good, Antima. Now nitrogen atomic number 7. Electronic configuration, student, 5, 2, 5. Then valency is also more than 4. 8 minus 5. Yes, Samrat, correct. Valency of nitrogen is 3. Valency of student halogen. Suppose you are taking fluorine. Atomic number 9. Electronic configuration 2, 7. So valency is 8 minus 7. Valency of fluorine is what? 1. Student, valency of each halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, is what? 1. So we have to know the valency of the what? Carbon atom, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and fluorine. Please beta note it in your notebook, separate notebook. After that, student, after the tetravalency of carbon atom, we have to discuss, student, structural formula. So before knowing the structural formula, student, we have to know molecular formula. In demo lecture, beta, I explained what is the molecular formula. Molecular formula is what? Please note in your notebook. The formula which gives exact number of atoms of different element present in a molecule known as molecular formula. Again, beta, one time listen. The formula which gives exact number of atoms of a different element present in a molecule known as a what? Molecular formula. Example, student, like molecular formula of methane is what? CH4. CH4 indicating, student, one atom in one molecule of methane, one carbon atom, and 4 hydrogen atom are present. Suppose you are taking example, student, like molecular formula of glucose is what? C6H12O6. See, beta, in one molecule of glucose, total 3 different elements are present: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. But how much atom of each element are present? Here 6 carbon atom, 12 hydrogen atom, and 6 oxygen atom are present. So molecular formula means, student, the formula which gives exact actual number of atoms of a different element present in a molecule known as molecular formula. Hope you all understood molecular formula. Any doubt about the molecular formula, student? Okay. So please note it, student. Now tell me, can I rough it? Very good. Now I'm going to rough it. Okay, student, now after the molecular formula, now we have to, student, start next topic, that is the structural formula. Structural formula and complete structural formula. structural formula. Now, student, what is the difference between molecular formula and the structural formula? Structural formula means, student, with the help of molecular formula, student, we can get only number of atoms. Suppose in methane, you know, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atom are present. But student, how can we know this 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen are attached together? Which bond are present? Single bond, double bond, triple bond, which type of bond present? These things, student, we have to discuss in the what structural formula. So now, students, see the definition of structural formula. Please write it. The formula which gives exact arrangement of different, शॉर्टकट में लिखा है, इसको डिफरेंट पूरा लिखना है आप लोग, different element, the formula which gives exact arrangement of atoms of different element present in a molecule of organic compound known as structural formula. The formula, student, which gives actual exact arrangement of atoms of a different element present in molecule known as structural formula. Suppose we have to draw the student like example, structural formula of methane. You know methane, molecular formula of methane is what? CH4. We know the in methane beta 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atom are present. So with the valency of carbon and hydrogen, student, we can get the structural formula. So for that, student, you know first element is the word carbon. You know atomic number of carbon is 6. Electronic configuration is 4. 4 electrons are present in its valence shell, which are going to take part in bond formation. Second, student, hydrogen. Only 1 electron are present in the valence shell. Ketan beta, please check your network. So now, student, when you draw the structural formula, first of all, we have to draw the methane formula, CH4. You know, beta, first element is carbon. Second one is the what? Hydrogen. Total 4 hydrogen atoms are present. See, beta, please see the carefully. Here, 4 electrons of carbon. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This blue color are showing the electron for the what? Carbon. And here, beta, cross. Black cross are representing suppose electron of hydrogen. So, one electron of carbon in a bond. Here, this is called as student electoral formula. This is called as student electronic structure. Draw the structure formula. See with hydrogen bond, carbon, hydrogen bond, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen. See student, total valency of carbon is 4. 4 valency means याद रखो. Okay, so now I am going to rough it. Can I rough it? Vignesh, beta, please write it fast. Okay. Now, student, I will take the second structure. Structural formula for the word ethane. Ethane. Molecular formula of ethane is what? C2H6. See, beta, how can we draw the structural formula of ethane? First, you write beta 2 carbon atom. Two carbon atom. N means what beta? You know, carbon carbon single bond. So we have to make carbon carbon single bond. Now tell me how many valency of each carbon completed? Only one bond is there. So one valency is completed. Rita, very good beta. Only one valency completed of each carbon. So see beta here, one valency completed. Total valency is what? 4. So remaining how much? 3. Very good. So these 3 completed by what? Hydrogen atom. So students see, right carbon completed their valency. Now student left carbon. How many valency completed of the left carbon? Only one valency completed. So remaining how much? 3. So these 3 students completed by hydrogen atom. This is the word structure. Now student, this structure can be also written like first carbon carbon single bond. Now student, one valency of each carbon is completed. So how much hydrogen will come here student? CH3. And left one is also student CH3. Both are calling the structure formula. But student, this is called as CSF. CSF means what? This is the complete structural formula. And this is called as student structural formula. Hope you all understood. Now student, I will take the another example. Third example, that is propane. You know the molecular formula propane is C3H8. See, how can we draw the student structural formula? First you put student 3 carbon. N means what? Carbon carbon single bond. Now see here, right carbon. Only one valency student completed. So remaining valency completed by hydrogen atom. we have to put student here hydrogen. Now see the time middle carbon. How many valency completed student? See right bond is also there, left bond is also there. Very good. Khushbu, Aditi, Rita, correct beta. Only two valency completed. So remaining how much? Two. So these two completed by student hydrogen atom. Now see left one student. Again only one bond. Then remaining three valency student completed by hydrogen atom. Hope you all understood. Now this structure student also write like CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. So this is called as a student complete structural formula. We are showing the complete bond, and this is the student structural formula. So hope you all student understood the idea about what structural formula. Any doubt, beta? Very good. After that, student, you can draw the structure formula butane, pentane, anyone. You put first carbon single and then you complete the valency of each carbon. Now, student, can I rough it? Samrat, do you want the structure of hexane? Samrat, okay, I will draw the student structure formula of hexane. Can I rough it? Hexane. This is, I think, fourth example. Molecular formula of hexane is beta C6. You know, according to general formula, CnH2n plus 2. C6H14. See, first you write the 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tell me, beta. See, right carbon. Only one valency completed. So remaining how much? 3. So these 3 completed by hydrogen atom. Next, these 4 carbon atom student, each one completed the 2 valency. Then remaining 2 valency completed by hydrogen atom. Last one carbon student, only one completed. The remaining 3 by hydrogen. This is called as what? CSF, complete structural formula. But when you draw the student, only structure formula, you will write CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2, and last one is the what? CH3. Yes, this is called as only structural formula. Hope you all better understood. Samrat, hope your doubt is clear, beta. Very good. Now, student, suppose we have to draw the structure formula of alkenes. First example we take is student ethene. Molecular formula of ethene is, now this is the example of alkene. General formula of alkene is CnH2n. So C2H4. Correct? Yes, Samrat, correct, beta. How can we draw the structure formula, beta? first you put the 2 carbon. In is there, beta, means what? Carbon, carbon, double bond. Then beta here, right carbon, 2 valency completed. So remaining 2 completed by hydrogen atom. Understood? Now see left carbon, again 2 bonds showing, means 2 valency completed. So remaining how much? 2. So these 2 completed by hydrogen atom. So this is the student complete structure formula of ethene. Now student, only structural formula. Here 2 valency completed means 2 hydrogen will come. Left student, again 2 valency completed means 2 hydrogen will come. So this is the word only structural formula of the word ethene. So in ethene beta, 1 carbon carbon double bond present, and 1 2 3 4 4 carbon hydrogen single bond are present. Done beta? Hello? Very good, very good, Kosbu. Okay, now student, next structure I will take, that is sixth example. I think we had to take student propene. Propene student. So I will rub the word example student. Propene. Propene. Formula propene, Samrat, correct? Formula is what? C3H6. So total beta 3 carbon present. But you know student, propene double bond is there, means they contain at least 1 double bond. Please don't make that 2 double bond. For 2 double bond it will be diene. So only in means 1 time double bond. So make a double bond between 1 and 2 carbon, either from right side or left side. Then complete the student valency of carbon. Tell me beta, how many valency completed of right carbon? Very good, 2 completed. Remaining how much beta? 2. These 2 completed by hydrogen atom. Correct. Tell me middle carbon, how many valency completed? 3, Samrat. Correct. Remaining 1 is completed by hydrogen atom. Now student left one. Only 1 valency completed. So remaining how much? 3. These 3 completed by hydrogen atom. So this is called as student CSF, complete structural formula. Can you tell me what is the only structure formula? Again, students, same concept. 2 valency completed means only 2 hydrogen will come. Very good. Asif, you have correct. 2 here, 3 valency completed, so 1 H will come. And here 1, then we have to put here CS3. This is called as structural formula. This structure formula of student alkene. Suppose you draw the butane, 4 carbon. Put carbon carbon double bond between 1 and 2 carbon. If you want to draw the butene, 4 carbon, put double bond between 2 and 3, and then complete the valency of each carbon. Now student, alkyne, I will take the few examples from alkynes. Ethyne. Molecular formula of ethyne is C2H2. Very good, Samra. Correct. C2H2. So 2 carbon student. We have to put carbon triple bond because it is a YME. It means carbon triple bond. So 3 valency of each carbon completed. So student, then we have to complete this one carbon is completed by one hydrogen and another valence 3 is already completed. So remaining one, this is completed by one hydrogen atom. Or you can write like this one student, CH triple bond CH. This is called as the CSF and this is called as SF. Understood? Hello? Okay. One more last example I will take student. Suppose I will take student propine. Molecular formula of propine is C3H4. Now see how can we draw the structure formula? Total 3 carbon. You put 1 carbon triple bond. Then tell me how much valency of this carbon is completed, beta? Three. So remaining only 1. This is completed by hydrogen atom. Tell me here. How much valency completed are the middle one? 4. All 4 completed. So no hydrogen is required here. Now tell me how many valency completed last carbon, beta? 1. So remaining 3. Beta, you put triple bond between 1 and 2 carbon. If position is not given. Or we can write student CH3 C triple bond CH. So this is your complete structure formula. This is the structural formula. Understood, beta? Any doubt? Any question? Very good. Please, you can take the screenshot. You can note it, beta. After that, student, I will start the next formula. That is the what? Condensed formula. Next topic is what? Condensed formula. Chaliye, now I'm going to rough it. Can I rough it, beta? Yes. Side ho gaya beta. You can take the screenshot. Chal. Now, beta, after the structure formula, I will start the what next topic. That is called as the what? Condensed structural formula. Condensed structural formula. Condensed structural formula. शॉर्टकट में हम लिखेंगे इसको CF. CF, condensed formula. Now see beta, what is the difference between structural formula and condensed formula? Question may be asked in your exam like, draw the condensed formula of following. structure formula will be what I provide to you, and then we have to convert in the what condensed formula. You had to know, student, both the way, structure formula to condensed formula and condensed formula to structural formula. So now, student, see what is the condensed formula. Student, in condensed formula, first of all, learn one thing. We have to omit the word all. Some are all covalent bond. We have to what, student? Omit the covalent bond. Dash. We have to omit it. हमें तो पहले चीज क्या करना है? We have to omit the word double, single bond and double bond, whatever is there. We have to omit the word bond. First thing, when you draw the bond line formula of the word alkane, we have to omit the bond. After omitting the bond, student, if equal number of group is there, they will be write in the word subscript. उसको हमें ब्रैकेट में लिखना है और उसका एग्जैक्ट नंबर लिख देना है. तो दो चीज याद रखो. फर्स्ट थिंग, we have to omit the word some or all bond. Bond means dash. Dash को हमें omit करना है. Second thing, number of equal group we have to write in the word subscript, which is attached to the carbon atom. The substituents also we have to write in the subscript. अब हम आपको एक एग्जांपल देके एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. This is your structural formula. And this is your condensed formula. First, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Tell me, beta, how many dash is there? How many dash are present? 1, 2, 3. जैसे तीनों डैश को मैं ओमिट करना, अवॉइड करना हो. ओमिट करना मतलब यहाँ पे मैं इस डैश को रिमूव करना है. और यहाँ पे देखो CH2 का ग्रुप कितना दिख रहा है बेटा? 2. सेम ग्रुप दिख रहा है. तो हाउ कैन वी ड्रॉ द condensed formula? CH3 single bond, CH2 CH2. How many times? 2 times. उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखना है बेटा, CH2 twice. अगेन इसके बाद बॉन्ड है, उस बॉन्ड को ओमिट करना है, डायरेक्ट लिखना है CH3. तो दिस इज द कंडेंस्ड फॉर्मूला. सपोज हम सिंपल लेते हैं, इक्वल वाला कोई नहीं है. CH3 CH2 CH3, इसका हमें ड्रॉ करना है कंडेंस्ड फॉर्मूला. यस अर्षी है, यहाँ पे देखो सिंपल है. पहले CH3 CH2 CH3, हमें डैश को ओमिट करना है, डैश हटा देना है. तो CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3, डैश हटा दिया, लिखा CH2, वापस डैश हटा दिया, लिखा CH3. अंडरस्टूड? अब यहाँ पे क्या था? CH2 2 बार था, तो मैंने क्या लिखा है आपको? CH2 2 टाइम्स रहेगा, तो उसको ब्रैकेट में ट्वाइस लिख दो. Now another structure. See how can we draw the condensed formula? अब बेटा यहाँ पे एंड वाला कार्बन आपको एज इट इज रखना है. CH3 CH2 how many time बेटा? 1 2 3. तो उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे CH2 thrice. एंड लास्ट में क्या बचता है बेटा? CH3. अंडरस्टूड? हेलो. ओके. अब हम आपको एक नया एग्जांपल लेते हैं बेटा. सपोज ब्रांच रहे, साइड चेन, CH3 CH2 CH CH3 CH3. Again बेटा इन कंडेंस फॉर्मूला 1 2 3 4 टोटल 4 डैश इज देयर. ऑल 4 डैश को हमें रिमूव करना है. तो यहां से स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट CH3 डैश रिमूव किया, CH2 वापस डैश रिमूव किया, CH. अब इसका क्या करें? CH3 तो नीचे अटैच है. कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं, डैश हटाना तो यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. दैट इज रॉन्ग. कंडेंस फॉर्मूला ओनली वन लाइन में आना चाहिए. तो मैंने आपको बताया कि जो ग्रुप हो, जो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स हो, दे विल बी व्हाट? इन ब्रैकेट. उसको हम सबस्क्रिप्ट में रखते हैं. अब वो CH3 किससे अटैच है? CH से. नाउ CH के बाद ब्रैकेट में हम बेटा क्या रखेंगे? CH3. CH3 और लास्ट में क्या है बेटा अपना? CH3. होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. नाउ बेटा अनदर स्ट्रक्चर. अनदर स्ट्रक्चर देखो. CH3 CH OH CH3. सपोज हमने OH ग्रुप अटैच किया है. See how can we draw it? CH3. अभी डैश अवॉइड करना है. डैश के बाद क्या है? CH. बट CH से क्या अटैच है बेटा? OH. तो अगेन OH किस में आएगा? ब्रैकेट में आएगा. अंडरस्टूड? आफ्टर दैट लास्ट अगेन डैश अवॉइड करना है एंड वी हैव टू पुट CH3. यस बलराज बेटा करेक्ट. सम्राट, रितेश, होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. कोई तो लिख रहा है मस्त समझा. करेक्ट. बहुत अच्छी बात बेटा. नाउ सपोज वी हैव टू पुट हियर six. CH3 CH CH3 CH CH3 CH3. See how can we complete it? First we put CH3 dash अवॉइड करो. CH CH3 अटैच है CH पे, तो पुट इन CH3. वापस डैश अवॉइड करो, पुट CH3. अगेन एक बॉन्ड है, इसको भी ब्रैकेट में रखो फिर. एंड लास्ट वन इज व्हाट? CH3. डन बेटा. करेक्ट. बलराज करेक्ट. संजना करेक्ट. वेरी गुड. चलो बेटा यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला. Then beta understood? Hope you all understood. Chalo. So now I'm going to rough it. Can I rough it? Yes, IUC साइड में हो गया बेटा. चल. Now student, next topic is what? Bond line formula. First we completed tetravalency of carbon. Second topic we completed molecular formula, then structural formula, then condensed formula. Now our next topic is what? Bond line structural formula. Bond line structural formula. This is the next topic. Now student, see how can we convert the structure formula to bond line formula? Yeah, how can we convert the bond line formula to structural formula? So in bond line formula, student, carbon hydrogen will not shown. Means we have to write the carbon-carbon bond with the zigzag line in zigzag fashion. Like here, suppose here zigzag line like here. See, this is student one carbon. This is your second carbon. This is your third carbon. This is your fourth carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bond line student always write in the what? Zigzag motion, zigzag fashion, zigzag manner. So this is carbon student. See how can we complete the valency? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now student here, it means what? This terminal carbon. This terminal carbon is what? Methyl group. Terminal carbon is what? Methyl group. That is CH3. And this carbon student, these two carbon is considered as a what? Junction. Junction means what here? This carbon is attached to another carbon. This is the junction. Suppose you have number here, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 4, that is called as the terminal carbon, that is the methyl group. Second and third carbon is the what? Junction, that is the methylene group. So how can we draw the student structural formula in bond line formula? First you count the carbon in the what? Principal chain. See how many line will come for the what? Any structure. Then number of line equal to number of carbon in मेन चेन -1। सिंपल सा तरीका है, मेन चेन में जितना कार्बन है वो कार्बन काउंट कर लो, उसमें से एक कम करो, दैट इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ लाइन। जैसे आपको सपोज ड्रॉ करना है CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3, सपोज CH2 CH3 काउंट करो, योर स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला काउंट करो, टोटल कार्बन कितना है, 1 2 3 4 5, टोटल 5 कार्बन है। तो लाइन कितना बनेगा, लाइन 4 बनेगा। देखो फॉर्मूला लिखा है मैंने, नंबर ऑफ लाइन इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इन मेन चेन -1। तो लाइन बनाओ बेटा, टोटल लाइन बनेंगे 4, 1 जिगजैग होना चाहिए, 2 3 4। So this is the structural formula for total 5 कार्बन है, it is a pentane, and this is the student bond line formula of pentane. Understood beta? Hello? Okay. Now we will take the another structure, second one, CH3 CH2 CH3. This is the another structure formula for propane. Tell me how many line will come? 2 line will come, correct? क्योंकि कार्बन कितना है टोटल 3, तो लाइन कितना बनेगा 2, 1 2 3। So this is the bond line formula of propane. Correct beta? I will take a few more examples for practice. So hope you all understood. So please you can take the screenshot and I will do the what, another structure. Can I rough it? Okay students, so now here this is the numbers. We'll take the what few example. This is the student structural formula. And now bond line formula. First, suppose the student branch is there. So can you tell me how many line will come? In a main chain, how many carbon? 1 2 3 4। आपको बस मेन चेन में काउंट करना है। मेन चेन में टोटल कार्बन है बेटा 4, तो लाइन कितने बनेंगे 3, 1 2 and 3। Done beta? So this is the suppose first position, second position, third position, fourth position. But at second position, beta, one terminal is there. Methyl is there. For this, you have to put one single line downward. Understood? Okay, now another one. CH3, CH. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. यस लाइन में बेटा नेम लिख सकते हो, बट यहाँ पे हम ओनली प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्मूला टू बॉन्ड लाइन. नाउ सी बेटा हाउ मेनी कार्बन इन मेन चेन? 1 2 3 4 5. Tell me how many line will come? How many line will come? 4. Aditi, correct. 1 2 3 4. Now see student, numbering 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5th carbon. At second carbon beta one methyl is there. So for that you put one single line. At second carbon one methyl is there. Also we have to put one more line. Yes. Correct beta? Understood? Next. Now tell me, beta, student, in a main chain, how many carbon? Total 3. How many line will come? 2. Correct. But at second carbon, one methyl is there in upward, one methyl is in downward. You have to put one single line in upward and another line in the what? Downward. So total 4 terminal. Correct? Okay, last, next one is student. Next. Next beta see. CH3, CH, CH3, CH, C2H5, yeah, CH2, CH3. See beta, how can we draw the bond line formula for this structure? First count how many carbon in main chain? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many line will come? 4. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now at second position, student, one methyl is there. You have to put one line. See numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in 3 carbon, student, it is a side chain of 2 carbon. So if you put only one single line beta at 3 carbon, that is wrong. Yes, Viraj, we have to Make 2 line here. We have to make student here 2 line. So see, how can you put 2 line here? Zigzag motion. Line is crossed now. Okay, very good. Correct, beta, understood? Good, beta, very good. Now, student, next one. Can I repeat, beta? Can I repeat? Okay. Now, beta, another example, see. CH3, CH, OH, CH3. If beta other elements are present like oxygen atom, nitrogen atom, then what will we do? In that case, student, we omit only carbon and hydrogen in the bond line formula. But if OH group means any group where oxygen present, nitrogen present, then we have to write the beta same group on that position by putting the what line. Suppose we have to draw the condensed formula, sorry, bond line formula of this structure. So how many carbon, student, in main chain? How many carbon? 3. So first we put how many line? How many line will come? 2 line. 2 line. Up now at second position OH is there. You put at second position OH. Either in downward or in the what? Upward. You can like draw the line this one also. These are the 2 lines. You put at a second carbon OH. Understood, beta? Hello? Okay. Now, student, next one. You can number like which example you can number here. Suppose another structure, student, CH3, CH, NH2, CH2, CH3. You can draw the structure. Yes, we have to write student OH. See, suppose NH2 are attached. How many carbon, student, here? 4. So how much line will come? 3. Very good. 3 line will come. 1, 2, 3. Tell me at which position NH2 is there? Second position. We have to write 2 NH2. At second position NH2. We have to write NH2. Correct? Understood, beta? Very good. Next, suppose CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. Suppose OH is attached on the 1 carbon. Tell me beta first, how many carbon? Total 3 carbon. How many line will come? 2 line. 1, 2. 2 line will come. See beta, this is the 1 carbon, 2 carbon and 3 carbon, right? So at one position we have to write OH. This is not considered as a line. This is OH is attached on one carbon. Similarly, here NH2 is attached on the second carbon. Understood, beta? This line will be start from here. Done? Any doubt, beta? Good. What is the I think number? I think 5 or 6 one. 6, 7, 8. Now suppose the student bond line formula of alkenes. हमें अगर alkene का bond line formula draw करना है, we have to put what? For double bond 2 line, for triple bond 3 line will come. Suppose we have to draw the bond line formula of CH2 double bond CH2. How many carbon is in chain? 2. How many line will come? Line, how much line will come? 1. But you have to put the word one more parallel line. Correct? Double line, yes. Understood, beta? Okay, now I have to rough it, beta, because I will draw some more structure. Can I rough it now? Can I rough it, beta? Now, beta, another example. This is for structure formula. And here is the word bond line formula. Another structure, student. And numbers. Which number is there? CH double bond CH2. This is the student propene. Now tell me how many line will come down here? Total 3 carbon in chain. How many line will come? 2. 1, 2. But beta here between 1 and 2 double bond is there. We have to put 1 double line between 1 and 2 carbon. Understood? Now student, next one. Suppose we have to draw the student ethine. CH triple bond CH. How many carbon, student? In main chain? 2. How many line will come now? 2. Line will come with what? 1. And we have to put 2 more parallel lines. So this is the structure for the word ethine. Now student, 11. Next example. Suppose we are taking propine. See, how can we draw the structure of propine now, beta? How many line will come now? 1, 2, 3. How many line will come, beta? 2 line will come. But between 1 and 2, triple bond is there. We have to put here triple line. Correct. Very good, Samrat. Balraj, Akhil. Correct, beta. Ritesh. Now, student, we have to draw. Yes, Antima. Antima, one more line will come. Suppose we have to draw the student the bond line formula for the cyclic structure. If closed chain compound is there, how can we draw the what? Bond line formula for open chain compound, closed chain compound. So CH2, CH2, CH2. This is a student suppose structural formula. In bond line formula, student, we omit the word carbon. We have to write. This is the structure of what? Cyclopropane. This is the cyclopropane. Understood, beta? Now we are going to another structure. Can I rough it? Yes, yes. I will take some more example. CH2, CH2. This is the structure formula for cyclobutane. It means it is a ring of 4 carbon. So this is the student structure formula. Now what is the C bond line formula? We have to put the word student 4 line here. But 4 line will be put in cyclic way. Here number of carbon equal to number of bond, number of line. Okay, next one is student cyclohexane, ring of 6 carbon. See how can we draw it? Total 6 carbon. Count it please. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, 6 carbon. Understood, beta? Okay, now next one. Suppose we have to draw the student. Now you tell me the structure formula. But this is the cyclopropene. Cyclopropene. Double bond, that's why propene. So how can we convert into structure formula? We have to write first carbon. Complete the valency. Here 2 and 1. 3 valency have completed these 2 carbon. We have to put 1 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen. Tell me how much hydrogen will come on upward carbon atom? Very good. Aspia 2. 2 valency completed, so you have to put CH2. So hope you all better understood the word structure formula, bond line formula, and condense formula. Understood, beta? We completed structure formula, bond line formula, condense formula, and complete structure formula. Our next topic is, student, drawing the molecule in 3 dimensions. चलो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Yes, you can take a screenshot. Can I repeat, beta? Now next topic, drawing molecule in now beta, this is the another type. Yes, Balraj, we can finish beta. Total here in three-dimensional, we have a total 4 type formula. At least in 7 minutes, we can complete one structure. That is what wedge formula. Wedge formula. See beta, what is the wedge formula? On plain paper, how can we draw the structure? Total beta in three-dimensional 4 type of formula. One is the wedge formula. Second is Fisher projection formula, Newman projection formula, and Sawhorse formula. So today I will do only one, that is a wedge formula. See beta, methane, wedge formula, how can we draw it? You know, general structure of methane is what? CH4. But you know student, wedge formula, wedge or non-wedge wala VEG nahi. Wedge means WEDGE. Yes, Viraj, correct beta. So wedge formula mein beta, how can you draw it? So total 4 bond is there. But beta, you know, all 4 bond equal नहीं होते हैं. See, मैं आपको presentation दिखा रहा हूँ. See बेटा, प्लीज इस पे आप केयरफुली ध्यान दो. सपोज ये सेंटर कार्बन एटम है. These 2 कार्बन बेटा ऑन द प्लेन. वन जो होता है इज द व्हाट, फ्रंट पे होता है अबव द प्लेन. और एक जो है आपको दिखेगा नहीं. देखो लास्ट वाला आपको नहीं दिख रहा है. दिस इज द बिहाइंड द प्लेन, जिसको हम बोलते हैं बिलो द प्लेन. दिस इज द बेटा प्रेजेंटेशन. बट हाउ कैन यू शो ऑन द पेपर? पेपर पे हम कैसे इसको दिखाते हैं, प्लीज इसको अच्छे से समझो. These 2 solid line beta, they are showing this bond are what on the plane. बट जो बाकी के जो 2 होते हैं, एक फ्रंट पे होता है और एक क्या होता है बिहाइंड. फ्रंट वाले को हम अबव द प्लेन भी बोलते हैं और बिहाइंड वाले को हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, बिलो द प्लेन. उसको हम पेपर पे कैसे दिखाते हैं, ध्यान से समझो. ऐसा डॉटेड लाइन रहेगा जैसे वाईफाई दिखता है आपका. So these bonds are showing, they are the what on the 3D structure. Not it is a 2D structure, Balraj. It is a 3D. Now last one beta. So please see the all the meaning of the what, all the bond. अभी इसका मीनिंग बेटा क्या है, देखो जो डॉटेड लाइन है. तो प्लीज याद रखोगे। This bond is meaning beta the bond below the what paper. Bond getting below the paper. Sorry, दिख नहीं रहा होगा आपको. They are showing what? Bond getting below the paper. यहाँ बेटा इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Behind the plane. जो पीछे वाला था, जो आपको दिख नहीं रहा था. और इसका मीनिंग क्या है बेटा? थिक वाले का bond projecting above the paper. Very good. Bond projecting above the paper. या इसको लिख सकते हो फ्रंट पे जो होता है. एंड ये जो दो सॉलिड लाइन है बेटा, इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? देखो, जो इसका मीनिंग क्या है बेटा? बॉन्ड इन द व्हाट? प्लेन ऑफ पेपर. Hope you all better understood. See these two lines. Again I am showing you. See beta, these two are what? On the plane. This is the word on the front, and this is the word on the behind the plane. अब पेपर पे हम कैसे दिखाएंगे? तो जो दो सॉलिड लाइन है, they are indicating they are on the plane. ठीक वाला जो है, they are front the plane. और जो डॉटेड है, they are बेटा behind the plane. Hope you all understood. Wedge formula. Hello. Yes beta. Wedge formula understood. Very good. Correct. You can take the screenshot beta. So now next lecture beta I will start fish projection, fish formula. तो प्लीज अच्छे से याद रखना कि अपना टॉपिक कहाँ तक हुआ है. I will send the class note also. Don't worry. Thank you Tanya beta. You understood clearly. Thank you Balraj. Yes, very good beta. Thank you Akhil. Thank you Antima. Yes. Bye beta. Bye. RK sir, Abhishek.
हाँ सर बोलो.
सर.
हाँ सर बोलो.
मैं बोला हो गया, बच्चे लोग बोले टाइम हो गया. डन. बस.
हाँ बस टाइम हो गया सर, खाना पीना खा लो और सो जाओ सर अभी.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
सर बाय सर.